up. Here we go. Last leg of the journey, got 2.5 hours. And the weather is good. This is Highway 41, really nice. We're going north off Highway 7 up to Fort Collonge.
Able to extract information from the strands.
Definitely expected to see a moose at some point. Look at it. Proper rural, rustic Canadian. Nice houses as well, cool. Quebec, guys, and as you can see, it's very clear. A lot of grey cloud above my head, so it's definitely going to snow at some point. Temperature is -2, so yeah, it's definitely, I think it's going to snow this afternoon. But I am very close to the site. I'm going to get there at 9, bang on. So a little bit of a late start this morning, but I managed to find a shortcut, which was interesting. And I'm nearly there, so all worked out good. So basically I'm going to get this off and await my reload. I've got 2 choices, well there is 2 choices, so they're going to find out which comes out first, and that's where I'll be going. So I'm getting to my destination. I don't know where it is, it's just a house. I have to slow down, I might put my hazards on. No, it's saying turn left.
Arriving at destination on left.
It's number 205. Let me just check. So it's the right location. Thank goodness. I'll pull up on the side here. This might take a while. I'm guessing it will. took a little bit longer than I anticipated, but super nice couple that I just delivered to with that storage shed. Added me as a friend on Facebook, so nice to meet you, Hugo. And I've got a new contact in Quebec now, so next time I'm in the area, I'll give you a buzz, pal. Yeah, so we had to basically get a larger forklift because the small bobcat a little bit light to take off the items, but we got it off, and now I'm heading further east away from Manitoba, but I'm heading to Valcourt. Going to be interesting driving a high-sided truck in very bad weather. You can see the weather's coming in now, so I'm loading tomorrow, and hopefully this will be going back to Manitoba. It better be. Let's park up. I'm in Ottawa. The petrol pass I went to was rubbish. Pumps weren't working, so I've had to park up, and the noise is I'm doing another regen, standing regen on the truck, clear out the filters. So I've got my reload. I'm going to Valcourt, as I said before. Valcourt to Big Freight in Manitoba. Getting there on the 7th. If I can get there in 2 days. And that's good, I'm all set for a long trip back. It's going to be bad weather, but they give me enough time to, if I need to pull up, I can pull up. And yeah, take my time. Hopefully I'll be back in Big Freight in Manitoba on the 7th, and I fly back to the UK on the 11th. That's good. guys flat out driving on snow. I can't get my head around it. Really can't get my head around it. Please let there be spaces. Don't look freaking likely. No, don't look likely. Sugar butties. Where's he going? Maybe. Yes. Fucking up. Well, I have got to say that was all freaking awful. Managed to get in this side, I literally tucked away in the corner. Thank goodness. That other truck that was in front of me as well. Hold on. I was debating that corner as well. We both had to like sneak in. Should be alright. Well, you can't see, but yeah, I'm right up against the trees. And then I've got a fucking fancy ass Peterbilt by the side of me. Nearly slipped as well, bottom right hand side of the screen. Spinning out, mate. Spinning out on the ice. Horrible. What? I'm here, I'm an hour away from my destination. Let me just check. Yeah, 53 minutes. Need to be there at 9. I'm parking up at 8:15. So if I set off at 6:15, that's plenty of time. Oh, thank goodness. I need a wee. So I'm gonna sign off, guys. I made it fine. The weather's atrocious. Finally hit the snow. Been waiting for this, really. I'm just going slow. Just going slow. Well, you could say I've been a trucker for a while, but snow isn't my forte, so I'm definitely cutting my teeth. And I'd be an idiot to try and push the speed, because I don't know if I can actually make it. Don't know if the truck is gonna slide at 90. I don't. So everyone says just stick to what you're comfortable with, and I'm comfortable going slow in the snow. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. We made it. I'm happy, tired, and my head's buzzing. Night.